If you're looking for a fun girls trip destination, here's what a long weekend on Coronado Island looks like. Day 2, we're headed to the beach, but first we started the morning with a spin class at Hotel del Coronado. They offer a bunch of fitness classes, and this one overlooks the beach, which honestly is the best way to do a spin class. After we grabbed matcha and went for a walk along the beach. Oh, and fun fact, these dunes actually spell out Coronado. I did not know that until I saw it from the plane on the way home. Anyway, we rented chairs and an umbrella and spent a few hours on the beach, had drinks and laid out before heading to the pool in the late afternoon. That night we cleaned up and went to Dive Rooftop Bar for drinks and snacks. It's right across from the Dell with really good views. Then tacos for dinner and one last drink at the tavern before calling it a night.